All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we've got one of your favorites, Justine. Yep, she is back. We'll do some black and white edits, but I'll also include some color edits. I really just like the way the black and white edits looked with this high key look. So stick around and let's go. Excuse me, ma'am, you can't park out here.
No one's working here on New Year's except for you. You're the only idiot who showed up. I threw a bunch of stuff that I knew would go together, but I got multiples of multiples. These are all pantyhose and just different. These have bows on them.
Oh, okay. Cute.
With this top here.
Oh, okay.
It'll be those two together.
And like the little fur?
Yes, the fur,
maybe.
but also with nothing. Also
Okay.
with nothing as well.
All right.
So it'll be, yeah, those three. Hey, you can't eat pantyhose. They're the hardest ones. They won't call me up. My necklaces. Not changing. My necklaces.
Oh my God, this is going to take another hour.
Just get to it.
You know, I have little fat fingers.
Darn it. Just pick any.
Oh my goodness, I can't even find the end.
Okay, come on. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Come on. Pictures. Let's go. Come on. No more videos.
All right, guys, so finally we get going. Justine's not a big fan of all my behind the scenes video, and she's just ready to shoot. I'm running a Sony a7 IV today with the Tamron 28-75 2.8. 5.6 on the aperture. Your settings, I'm posting them here, but your settings are not going to be the same as mine. Why? Because your ambient light, for one, is going to be different than mine. You may have more or less light in the room. And the second one is you could put the exact lighting settings if I provided them here, but they're not going to matter unless you place the lights the exact distance from your subject that I have them placed here. So those are the two main reasons that the settings don't matter. But I'll post some of them anyway because I know you guys are interested, right? You can see the right side of her face there. The rim light is hitting, and then the conversion of black and white. I just really like the way those came out. Now remember, when the model goes low, you've got to adjust your lighting to compensate. And just a little advice, if you've got a mirror, full-length mirror that you can put in front of the model, they really appreciate that because they can see what they look like, what their hair looks like, what their outfit looks like, and what their posing looks like. You just have to be careful that they're not looking into the mirror off to the side while you are trying to get shots, but they love mirrors. And there we go, final shots of the day in black and white. Next video, we'll focus on the difference between portrait and fashion photography. It's not going to be exhaustive, but I'm going to give you some tips to get out of that portrait mindset and get into the fashion mindset. It's going to be very interesting because there is a different mindset when you go into making photos for fashion versus portraits. So stick around another week or so and I'll post that video. Thanks everyone. Give it a like, give it a subscribe if you're so inclined, and I really appreciate you watching the video. Have a good one.